Friends, I am Dilip Davda, contributing editor on primary market for chitradgold.com, going to discuss with you or giving information about the first ever right issue of the calendar year 2021. As we know, L&T Finance Holdings Limited is offering its rights offer, and that offer is opening on 1st of February 2021 and is going to close on 15th of February 2021. By way of right issue, companies mulling mobilizing around 2998.61 crore, and the issue is in the ratio of 17 shares for every 74 shares holding as of 22nd of January 21, and the price is fixed at rupees 65 per share. Out of the net proceeds, company is going to utilize around 1150 crore for the repayment of the commercial papers of its own, around 600 crore for the repayment of the commercial papers of its subsidiaries, 500 crore for the redemption of the preference shares it has issued, and 737.11 crore for the general corporate purpose. So the company is going to utilize its fund raise from the right issue for a very, very beneficial purpose, which is going to make this company more stronger going forward, and yield will be increasing by many folds once company comes back on its track, because during COVID company has definitely suffered a setback if we talk about the financial performance. If I talk about the financial performance, then the fiscal 19 company has posted a net profit of 2232 crore on a turnover or income of 13302 crores. For the FY20, the profit was down at 1700 crores, but the top line total income was up to 14,548 crore. So though company has received higher total income, its net profits are down because of higher provisionings because of the lockdown started from the 22nd of March following COVID-19 pandemic. Now, because of this pandemic, perhaps company has also suffered a further setback for the first 9 months working of the current fiscal. For the 9 months period ended on 31st December 2020, company has earned a net profit of 683 crore on a total income of 10,529 crore. So naturally, company has performed somewhat poor in line with general trends of the industry, but as we know, RBI has streamlined NBFC's structure, and the new guidelines is likely to augur well for the big companies like L&T Finance Holding. Now, if we talk about the L&T Finance offering, then naturally L&T Group is the big group, and any offering it has offered so far for the investment from the, and raise funds from the public, it has always received overwhelming response, and I am expecting similar trends to follow for this right issue as well. With the market price of around 86 as of now, issue is at a discount of almost 24% to its current market price. And if we consider its market cap on the current last traded market price of 86, it is somewhere around 21,238 crore. Whereas with the price of offer at 65, the market cap stands at around 16,051 crore. So I think company is likely to emerge as a big player, because currently it is under the process of merging its all subsidiaries to become the numero uno with all kind of financial services coming under one roof, and better control and cost effectiveness. Company is going to perform well going forward. So I think shareholders who have received the right offer must apply for this issue with a long-term perspective, and those who are applying on their own for their own use, they may also consider additional application of getting some additional rights with good chances of getting somewhat extra if you are applying for the additional. So I think one should consider the investment in the L&T Finance Holdings Limited's right issue. As shareholders, they should not miss this offer, which is coming in a way of mini bonus for them. And I am expecting good returns maybe in a next 3 to 4 years from this company, because the NBFCs, as I said earlier, is going to have better perspectives going forward with greater participation in the development of the economy of our country. So you can also study this review of mine in a detailed perspective on the chittorgarh.com website, and also consult your financial advisor if you want to know something more about this company. And you can also you do some homework and consider investment in this company. Thank you.